I'm going to be showing you how to unlock co-op mode in Genshin Impact, so it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to know about co-op mode is co-op mode lets you play or join your friend's world. Then you can enter their Genshin world and you can use their resources, you can play together and fight battles together. So you can only activate co-op mode, or co-op mode is unlocked automatically when you reach adventure rank 16. So some of the steps to unlock them are that you need to complete the early game quests and explore the world to increase your adventure rank. You need to complete Archon quests, missions, and activities that give adventure EXP and continue until you reach adventure rank 16. Once you reach AR 16, co-op mode unlocks automatically. All you need to do is open the Paimon menu and select the co-op icon to start playing with friends. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.